it's Dorothy. It is raining super hard at SFU right now. Just wanted to show you how hard it's raining. So yeah, this is SFU. It rains all the time. And probably can't hear me right now because it's so loud. Yeah, this is SFU on a regular basis. Rains all the time. But the good thing is that the spaces are covered, so you can get to one end of the campus without getting rained on. So that's good. Once again, this is the rain. Rain, rain, rain.